Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you are new here, my name is Paul, and first of all I'd like to say a very big thank you for the love, the likes, the shares, the comments, and to my 71 amazing subscribers. You guys are the best. It really means a lot to me. And yeah, as we know, it's about the journey and documenting the journey, and of course having fun while we are at it. So if you want to be a part of the journey, don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment underneath, and don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, so today we are going to be having our first reaction video. And I'll be reacting to a video that caught my attention a couple of weeks back, and I felt it's going to be a very good starting point for me to give and share my thoughts, and of course learn one or two things from this video. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So this is just a process of creating deepfakes, and deepfakes are fake videos, images, or even audio made using computers and AI. They then make someone sound and look like they said or did something, even though they didn't.
Hey Mom, hey Dad. It's me, Ella. Well, a digital version of me. Just a bit older. Amazing what technology can do these days, isn't it? All you need are a couple of pictures, like the ones you share on social media, where they can be taken and used by everybody. I know, for you these pictures are just memories, but for others, they are data. And for me, maybe the beginning of a horrible future. A future where my identity can be stolen, just like...
The first thing that came to my mind when I saw this particular scene, this particular section, was the Chinese company Deepfake, the popular Deepfake AI. I remember back in January, Wiz, WIZ, a cloud security company, discovered that Deepfake had exposed over maybe 1 million or maybe 100 million or 10 million, I can't even remember vividly. They had exposed user data, and the only thing that could that went through my head was what would have happened if this leaked information or leaked data got into the wrong hands.
Where I can go to prison for things that I would never do. Imagine my credit score being destroyed, Dad. Or my voice copied to scam you, Mom.
Mom, I'm in trouble.
I need you to send me money, please. I don't want to become a meme, humiliated by everyone at school.
Kill yourself, you fucking loser.
And I certainly don't want this. What you share online is like a digital footprint that will follow me around for the rest of my life. I'm telling you this because I know you love me and would never do anything to harm me. So please, Mom, please, Dad, Protect my virtual privacy.
It is not everything you have to share online. Be careful about whatever you share online. It's not everything you have on your mobile devices. You push to the internet. You never can tell where it can reach. You never can tell whose hands it could reach, right? So just be careful of where you are pushing personal information to. Tend to not overshare sensitive data, tend to never share sensitive data at all. Places where we have to use two-factor authentications, use them. You don't belittle little events or circumstances that can happen or surface. Yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Doing this will help you to push this video or this channel to more people. We have more reach, more audience as well. Thank you very much. See you in the next one.